Hi, Jess with the Walkers Wandering here, and I wanted to do a follow-up video with our bike rack. We recently installed the Cravat bike rack, and it did great with our bikes. We have heavy e-bikes, 2 of them together here, and we traveled from Hershey, Pennsylvania to Hartford, Connecticut, and that was a 200-mile ride, and the roads were rough. And as you can see, the bikes did great. Still on here, still sturdy, so we're going to get them unloaded and see how everything turned out. All right, so we got everything off. The bikes are good to go. They're in great shape. The rack is doing great. A couple of other features that I want to point out about this great rack is that it's a lot of space back here. There's a lot to take up, and when you're not taking your bikes around but you don't want to take the rack off, there is a way to fold it up so that you can save space when you're driving and parking. So one of the things is back here, we have a pin that's got it locked in. So I'm going to unlock it and pull this out. I bring these with me just so that way I have them. And then you're going to lift this up so it folds up, nice and convenient. Then you're going to pop this right back into the other one, put that back on. So now you've got saved space for whenever you're driving around without the bikes. The other thing that we added here is we put these reflective stickers on. That way it's nice when we're on the road and this is folded up. Cars can see us. It's a good little safety thing that we added kind of at the end there. And then the other thing to point out with this particular bike rack is this pin down here. So it's threaded through, it's holding it tight so it doesn't lock, or doesn't bounce rather, sorry. And it's in there really tight, but it comes with this feature right here, which is a lock. So nobody can steal this bike rack because it's a great durable rack. And we want to keep it because it's doing a great job with our bikes. And you can get yours using our discount, TWW10 at cravat.com.